Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation on women and children development. Today we are excited to share our project that focuses on the theme safety and support devices for children and women. We present our innovative project called SheGen. I am Priya. I am John and Manya Muktaba. We are the students of EPS and we have been working on developing this innovative solution.
In today's fast paced world, safety has become one of the most important concerns, especially for women. Whether traveling alone, walking at night, or navigating unfamiliar environments, many women face situations that cause anxiety or fear. When we first thought about building a product for women's safety, we explored many ideas: alarm systems, compact sprays, and chemical irritants. But each option had limitation. Some were expensive and some were difficult to use in a panic situation. That's when our research journey began.
As we studied different materials and mechanisms, we came across something interesting. That is xanthan gum, a natural, widely used polymer found in cosmetics and skincare products. Xanthan gum immediately caught our attention. This marked the beginning of our She Gel project.
The key ingredient in our formulation is xanthan gum. What makes it perfect for our project is its excellent gel forming property, high viscosity, and ability to uniformly suspend added components. These characteristics help us create a gel that is stable and thick while being completely safe for the user.
To demonstrate the practical application of our gel, we designed a push latch dispensing mechanism. This mechanism allows the user to release the gel instantly with a single press, even under stress. This can be attached to a keychain, purse, or pocket without grabbing attention.
Surveys were also conducted to gather information on women's safety. Survey was conducted with working women and children. It reveals the importance of having a compact product to use in panic situations.
This challenge motivated us to develop something compact, discreet, easy to activate, and scientifically effective. And that idea led to the creation of our project named She Gel, a gel based self defense system designed to provide instant protection and assist in identifying attackers.
In conclusion, our women's safety gel integrates chemistry, design, and engineering into a powerful, easy to use self defense solution. It's a small tool with a big purpose, empowering women and enhancing their confidence wherever they go. Empowering women with innovation because safety should never be compromised. Thank you.